Seeking information about investing. Try these tips. Investing your money can be a very enticing idea. After all, who wouldn't want to make more money? It sounds so simple, but the reality is that you have to know what you are doing, and even then, it isn't a guarantee. You can increase your chances for success by taking the time to do research and by investing wisely. This video can get you started on the road to investing wisely. One fund to consider when investing in the stock market is an index fund. Index funds simply track a segment of the market, most popularly the S&P 500. It takes very little effort and it guarantees that you, at least, pace the market at large. Studies show that actively managed funds largely underperformed index funds. It is hard to beat the market. If you have some spare money to invest, consider putting it into your employer-based pension plan. Many companies will match a percentage up to 100% of the contributions made by its employees, and this is basically the opportunity to receive free money. If you don't take advantage of this, it is tantamount to wasting quite a substantial opportunity. Investing through a brokerage has become very affordable over the past few years, however, it is still important for you to shop around. When deciding which brokerage to use, you should compare the fees that are assessed for trading, along with other fees such as account maintenance fees. You should also take into account the research tools that are available, the convenience of using their interface, and the level of customer support offered. As shown above, investing is such a very enticing idea for making your fortune. Everyone would like to make more money. But don't get caught up in the get-rich-quick promises. Take the time to learn about investments and how to wisely invest your hard-earned money. The information in this video can help you to get started on investing wisely. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.